Buyers are still waiting on the sidelines in the region of Waterloo. Hi, my name is Daryl Lacroix, and today we're going to be taking a look at the latest housing market stats for February 2025. And spoiler alert, it's pretty much the same. Not a lot of movement. It seems like buyers are still waiting, but we are entering March now, typically when the spring market kicks off. But a lot of opportunities still for buyers. But let's take a deeper look. We're going to look into the stats of all the different individual property types and do a bit of a deeper dive into maybe what's going on. So let's get to it right now. Hey everyone, so we're looking at the February stats, and it looks like last month there wasn't much of a difference in activity. Just looking at the median sale price for all properties, it remained the same, $720 in January and $720 in February. But let's take a closer look at what was happening. So new listings, we actually had a drop in new listings from 911 in January down to 849 in February. Overall inventory did go up. So we added more to the inventory in February, but the sales didn't pick up, so it just added more to the inventory. A total of 1,470 properties for sale in February. And then for sales, they just went up a little bit, right? And that's why the inventory is a lot higher. 330 in January, and then up to 357 in February. Overall days on market did drop quite a bit. We went from 17 down to 13. So let's take a closer look at the different property types. So single family, what I assume is the most in-demand property type. So they saw a bit of a bump, 815 in January up to 834,250. This is the median sale price for single family detached homes. New listings, though, about the same. No increase in listings. Overall inventory did go up from 528 to 623. And there was just a little bump in sales. So all the buyers, they haven't rushed in yet. We went from 189 in January to 218 in February. And then days on market dropped 16 to 11. So it looks like, some buyers are out. We saw some activity as we discussed last time, but the big rush has not occurred yet. Now we're in March, typically when things pick up and when the buyers come out. So we'll see what happens. Townhomes, median prices, they went down from around 645 down to 610. A big drop. There weren't that many listings. They went down. Overall inventory stayed about the same, and sales were down 81 to 69. Not as many people looking for townhomes last month. Days on market actually went up. Yeah, the buyer activity for townhomes just wasn't there. Condos, let's start with the median price. As always, it zigzags up and down, up and down. January, it was 416,500. That was the median sale price, and that bumped up to 442.5. So we'll see what happens in March. Like, things should pick up in March, but the way the condo trend goes, I would expect it to go down in March. Not sure why. It's just up and down every month. Almost consistently. New listings were down from 188 in January down to 170. Inventory kept going up. But sales increased from 40 to 46. I mean, prices were pretty low in January, so maybe Maybe that's what it is. Maybe people move when those valuations go down a bit and cool off when they go up. I don't know. Days on market dropped, though, significantly from 41 down to 25. But there's been a lot of inventory of condos, so maybe they're slowly getting eaten up now. And then semi-detached. There's usually not a lot of data for semi-detached, but so we had 635 in January, and that went up to 650. New listings 34 to 52, so quite a number of semi-detached homes were entered the market in February, adding to the inventory. And sales picked up a bit. Not many, though, 20 to 23. And days on market dropped. So yes, it looks like, the market didn't move the needle much. We saw a slight increase, but overall, pretty much remained the same. It seems like the buyers, they haven't jumped in yet. So we'll see if everyone hops in March and the spring market really gets going, or if things will remain the same. There's a lot of uncertainty in the world right now, and so people will be looking at the economy, at changing governments, at the whole situation in America and around the world as to whether or not they want to make a move. But the great opportunity for buyers still, and that's what I keep telling mine. There's a lot of inventory, and most buyers are still waiting out. So lots of opportunities to, put in an offer, get that inspection, have that finance condition, and to get a little more negotiating room on properties of interest. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember, for the buyers out there, still lots of opportunities to put in an offer, have that strong negotiating power, get your inspection condition, your finance condition. Lots of opportunities still out there. And if you're thinking of selling, we didn't see a huge increase in listings last month. So not as much competition as I would have expected, but that will increase as we get into the spring market. Keep that in mind. But if any of you have any questions about the market, your home valuation, the neighborhood, anything at all, or if you're thinking of moving in 9 days or even 90 days, feel free to reach out. You can text, email, you can schedule a Zoom call, whatever works for you, and we'll get you started on that path to home ownership. So until then, I will see you all in the next video. Cheers.